Hey guys, this is Govind Dubey from NCR EduTech. NCR EduTech is an institute where you can grow your skills, and our team will help you to make your future better. And I'm a spoken English trainer. I have been teaching English for 3 years. In this video, I am going to tell you some most important tips to be a good English speaker. Many people want to be a good English speaker and they start doing actions like learning, speaking, listening, but after few days they tired of doing these things. It seems to us boring. Many people claim to teach you how to speak in English in 10 days, 20 days, 3 hours, 8 hours, but English is a language. It can't be spoken in a such time. It might take some time. It needs continuity, sustainability, patience and hard work. All people want to learn, but no one wants to follow all process. Only few people want to follow required process and they have learned. But you can make it very easy by one tip. Make a solid reason to learn how to speak in English, and your reason must be solid. This reason will push you forward. Not only English, but you can get all things, whatever you want to get. Now I am telling you how to make a solid reason. Just close your eyes and ask yourself, what does it need to learn English? If you will get a satisfactional reply, then you can learn English. It would be your solid reason. And guys, it's my guarantee, your reason will help you to be a good English speaker. Because without having a reason, you can't do anything. Go to the comment box and type, why do you want to learn English? What is your reason? Like, I wanna be a good English speaker. I wanna remove my stage fear. I wanna get good position in my job. Write your reason in the comment box. And after having a good reason, you can start learning. You need to learn all sentence structures and vocabulary because English is not a local language. We don't have any English environment, so we have to learn it first. And I'm happy to telling you, I'm gonna make a basic to advanced, very simplest course ever. By this course, you can learn very easily. And it's my guarantee, after completing this course, you will be able to understand and speak English well. In this course, you will also get object speaking classes and important vocabulary classes. I will try to make you practice more and more, because practice makes a man perfect. It will be completely free of cost course. Even a single rupee will not be taken to you. If you want to join this course, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. But the most important thing which will teach you English is your reason. तो मैं एंड में भी आपसे एक ही बात कहना चाहता हूँ कि मैं सिखा तो दूँ तुम्हें, पर तुम सीखना क्यों चाहते हो ये बता दो मुझे। तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में जाइए और कमेंट करके मुझे ये बताइए कि आपका क्या रीज़न है, क्या आपकी ज़रूरत है जो कि आप इंग्लिश सीखना चाहते हो। और ये कोर्स आपके लिए कम्प्लीटली प्लेलिस्ट में प्रोवाइड होगा। आप आसानी से बिल्कुल इसको घर बैठे सीख सकते हैं। And we all know that lockdown is going on. Many people are spending their time in watching movies, web series, playing games, making TikTok videos. So guys, you can utilize your time because it will be very useful. It will help you to get a job. It will help you to do many things. Stop wasting your time. Start learning English. और एंड में मैं आपसे एक वही बात कहना चाहता हूँ कि एक अपना रीजन बनाइए और अंग्रेजी सीखिए। मैं सिखा तो दूँ अंग्रेजी तुम्हें, पर तुम सीखना क्यों चाहते हो ये बता दो मुझे। तो कमेंट बॉक्स में जाइए और आप अपना रीजन टाइप कीजिए कि आप क्यों सीखना चाहते हो आखिर। और ये वीडियो देखने के लिए आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। रेडी हो जाइए, एक रीजन बनाइए और सीख के ही दम लीजिए। मैं आपको सिखा के रहूँगा, ये मेरी गारंटी है। थैंक यू।